Hello friends, this is Yogesh from Yogesh Tech Zone. Today I will show how to make a USB bootable pen drive via Diskpart. Connect the USB pen drive to your system. Open command prompt as administrator. Type Diskpart. Then list disk will show all the disks installed. Now we have to select a disk 2 as this is a pen drive. Now we have to clean it and we have to create partition primary. Then select partition 1. Then we have to format it. Format FS file system equal to NTFS quick. This will take some time. That's done. Active. Assign. Now we have made a USB pen drive bootable. Now the second step is that we have to mount the ISO of the operating system which we have downloaded from the internet. Just mount the ISO. Copy all content to the pen drive. After copying all the content to the pen drive, just boot the system from this pen drive and press F12. After pressing F12, you will be prompted to boot from a particular device. Select pen drive and boot from it and install an operating system from that. So thanks for watching this video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.